How y'all doing?
Hi, guys.
This is my brother and my daddy's day. Hi, they say hi. Hi. That's my ugly dad.
No, magulay.
And yes. And my dad is here because it's Sunday and because my dad doesn't have a work today because it's Sunday. And we're gonna go out.
Sino to?
Shut up! It's you! Shut up. Oh, Dad! Dad! Dad, can you come? Can you come?
Dito ka lang. Bawal, mahuli yung tabi.
Damn.
Dali, akit mo.
Ah!
Go.
Yay! Oh, no.
Tumingin, dito mo dadaan. Dapat naligo ka na eh.
Magsiligo na nga ako kayo. Okay.
Malakad